Hi, I'm Stephen.
I'm RG and pag-uusapan namin ng mga buraot. Kamusta buhay-buhay mga kaatraso? We are back again for today's questions and stories from both forums and yung apaka-secret but open secret naming DMs of people telling us what happened.
Speaking of katraso, wala to sa script. Naalala ko lang. Ang English pala ng kaatraso ay offense mate.
Offense mate?
Offense
Hindi
mate.
kasi mga office mate, kaya offense mate na lang.
Offense mate. Anyway.
Hello, we'll go to the questions in a bit kasi these stories can probably restore your faith back in humanity or ruin it.
Yeah,
Like,
totally. Ito.
Forever.
Eh, tama-tama, New Year pa ngayon.
New Year, new me.
Oo.
Or feel nyo lang yun.
Tapos biglang ma-ruin yung
Oo.
faith mo in humanity.
New Year, still the same old, can't say that word me.
Let's begin answering those questions.
Mas konti na yung mga bola. Hindi ko
nga.
na kailangan alogin eh.
Kasi nagre-reklamo kayo, di na makuha eh.
Oo, ba't namin inaalog eh?
Habang umangat ako ng matabi si RD, pasensya na ho to sa Dr. RD.
Opo, sorry po. Naggamot naman po ako at sugar deficit.
Uy, sabi mo, wala ka dalang gamot ngayon. Joke.
This past week lang. Not today.
Okay.
Aalog na natin yan.
Time for Desperate Adventures. Huwag niyo po gagawin ito sa mall.
Don't try this at home. First question of this day. Apakaswerte ko ah. There's this girl in my...
Mahaba.
Mahaba. Makapalang mukha.
Makakaatraso.
Mahaba ang mukha. Mahaba. Makapalang mukha.
Pag mahaba ang tanong, hindi tayo basta nagbabasa ng tanong.
Oo.
Dahil medyo special yung tanong pag ganyan. Dapat parang MMK.
Okay.
Malumanay.
Okay.
Malumanay. Okay.
Dear RJ, there's this girl in my...
Sandali.
Ano ba?
Kulang pa. Dahil kamo MMK, dapat may halaman.
Akin na to dahil hindi to MMK.
Okay. Proceed.
Dear RG, there's this girl in my church who is rich, studies in an expensive homeschool, ganun pala, and doesn't even know how to cross this street. That's how privileged she is. We don't know each other much other than the fact that we serve in different ministries. One day, she rushed inside the building asking if someone has 650 pesos and promised to pay it back because apparently wala raw panukli ang taxi driver sa kanya and is demanding an exact amount. Average taxi driver experience po. As someone who understands her stress, I generously lend her 650 pesos and promised to return it but the following week. A month has passed by and she hasn't appeared at church anymore.
Okay.
Until one weekend she returned. I asked her kindly, in all caps pero dahil Dear RG to, to please pay back the 650 pesos she owes me. And she told me that you look like a poor rat. Why would I ask 650 pesos
What?
from you? I've never felt that degraded, scammed, and taken advantage of in my entire life. I explained to her the situation but she just laughed at me and said, bakit ako hiram ng 650 sa'yo? Don't you know who I am? I wish her all the bad luck in life kasi deserve niya. From Mr. Lender. At dahil nasa church ka, let me correct you po.
Wait, i-off muna natin yung MMK mo. Dapat kaatraso mo ito with si RG.
At dahil nasa simbahan kayo, hindi po I wish her all the bad luck. I wish God rains blood on her country. Kung di niyo fire to the rain! Kung di niyo pa alam yung raining blood, well, hindi blood na, may nag-raining blood ba sa Biblia? Hindi,
Wala
river of
naman.
blood, river
No,
of blood.
naging river of blood.
River of blood pala. If di nyo pa alam yung river of blood and yung pools of blood from one particular battle in the Old Testament, please Google that. I'm not your older brother.
Hiniraman siya ng 650 ngayon.
MMK ka na.
Nakakainis eh. Nakakainis yung story. Hiniraman siya ng 650. Nung hinihingi niya na yung bayad, wala na. Sinabihan na siyang,
Magic water.
bakit naman ako hihingi sa'yo ng 650? Mukha ka naman mahirap, mukha kang daga. Okay, first question.
Ano nga suot mo una?
Ano ba suot mo? Anyway, even though dapat yung pinahiraman niya ng 650, hindi naman dapat ganun sumagot. Siya na nga yung nanghiram. Siya, siguro gusto tumakas. Ayaw lang magbayad.
Typical mayaman
Yun nga eh. Naguguluhan niya kaya ang yaman niya. Pero
That's how you stay rich.
Don't pay taxes. Hindi, don't do that. Kapag may utang ka, dapat alalahanin mo. You know, this is a red flag for
Everyone.
someone who is in...
Joke lang. Someone lang.
This is a red flag for someone who is in church.
Cheers!
Cheers.
When you lend, be prepared not to get it back.
Yeah. Ay, good.
Oh, kita nyo! Naku, marunong
For the
naman
first time.
Hindi, may nahuli naman ako sa mga naunang episode. Lahat kayong makakapalang mukha, ang haba ng tanong nyo.
Actually, nagsishare nga lang sila eh. Sila talong. Sige, re-reactan lang din namin yun.
Sige, bibilisan ko na to There's this friend of mine who lives behind an affluent village near Mandaluyong. Dapat Bel Air, hindi Mandaluyong. Affluent village pala.
Kaya nga behind eh.
Behind?
Sa likod lang.
Sorry, Bel Air. Matatagang loob ko.
Wala
Bel
siya
Air
doon sa
number
loob ng
1.
village. Nandun siya sa labas.
Anyway, wag na tayo mag-comment. Kapag magkikita kami for hangouts or projects, obligado akong laging sunduin siya. Sabi niya kasi, hindi daw siya... Haba ng kwento nito Hindi daw siya papayagan ng parent niya na maglakad or sumakay ng tricycle or jeep sa area nila dahil medyo nasa secluded.
Okay.
Why did you have a child in that place in the first place? Inner part na sila nakitira and there's not much people walking in either time of the day. I'm pretty sure may mga magnanakaw. Reason din niya is kulang ang baon niya and she's saving up money to fix her aching back. Wala ka bang HMO, te? Anyway.
Baka konting chiropracture lang yun. Ganun lang
Wala ka bang HMO? Hindi, wala ka pa rin HMO. Hindi. Or, bro, sorry, di ko alam eh. Te yung una kong sabi. As a good friend, I presented to pick her up and bring her back home, which is basically door to door. Tagasan ka, kuya? Or ate? But one time, malalate kami sa appointment namin, so I kindly requested her to meet along Ortigas Avenue, which is roughly a kilometer away from her house pala. Hindi pala your house. I called her nang malayo pa lang ako and she said she could make trip adjustments, but she told me she can't.
She couldn't?
She couldn't pala.
Oh, okay.
Because 6 a.m. pa lang daw.
Liwa-liwanag na nun kahit maglakad ka nga ng pag-anon eh.
Malay mo, December na, pero December, 6 p.m. Hindi pa maliwanag nun. When I heard this on the phone, while on the way to the meeting place, I got perplexed and asked for clarification. Then she said she can't walk or book a ride to the main road because it's dangerous to do so. At 6 a.m.
Yeah.
6 a.m. daw. This was not the first time na umarte siya and not willing to cooperate to make adjustments. Siya na nga lang ang nakikisabay ng libre. Sorry, nabulol ako dun. Siya pang malakas ang loob na mag-demand. Anyway, we're not friends anymore, but when I see her posts now, ba't di mo pa siya binablock? She's able to travel alone or with her new friends to North EDSA, Quezon City, Mall of Asia, and even Baguio.
Wow.
I guess she was able to scam me for free rides.
Yeah.
Sino ka ba? Maganda ba kotse mo? Or...
Tingin ko maganda kotse niya.
Oo.
Yeah, you were scammed for free rides. Dapat nga, hindi na sinusundo yung mga ganitong tao.
Alam mo, yung episode ng Snap na to, wala akong masasabi kasi puro kwento to eh.
Oo nga eh.
What you want me to say?
Trash talk mo daw yung nagpapasundo.
Ha?
I-trash talk mo daw yung nagpapasundo.
Hoy! Kup!
Pero dito ako na-perplex din ako. Sabi niya dito,
Really?
siya pa ang may lakas ng loob mag-demand. Oo naman.
Really, na-perplex ka?
Yeah.
Paano?
Malamang sirada to next year.
Hindi ko naman, inaabuso yan. Like most of these cointos.
Bagay.
Anyway, kaawa sa akin si Lord. Mas maikli ang
Maikli
kwento
ang
nito.
kwento.
I work in Makati and this boss of mine who lives in a nearby condo is totally pissing me off. Since bago lang siya, ako sa 3 months,
Sa company nila.
gusto kong magkaroon ng good first impression ko. Okay, first impression. Translation, gusto niyang magpasikat. So in the name of pakikisama, one evening after work, sabay kaming pauwi ng boss ko. At dahil magkalapit lang ang kondo namin, wow, Makati kayo pareho, madadaanan naman ng Grab ko. I told my boss na sumabay na lang siya sa akin at ilibre ko na lang siya sa Grab. A few days after, lagi na kaming nagkakasabay ng boss ko. And no joke, kumakantsaw na siya sa akin ng palibre ng sabay sa'yo ha, lagi sa akin.
Grabe.
Mahal mag-Grab kahit malapit lang, pero tong boss ko, OA nakapal na ang mukha. I regret doing a generous gesture in the first place from as I said.
Yes.
Ate, kung let's say CBD ka, tas ang bahay mo is puno dulo na ng poblasyon. Or sa gilid-gilid na ng well, I'd understand kung mag-grab ka. Pero kung mag-grab ka from Legazpi Village to Salcedo Village,
Lapit lang na.
what are you doing? Now, to be fair to your boss, kapal lang mukha ng boss mo talaga.
Ay, oo.
Kaya nga boss siya eh. Di ba mas afford niya mag-grab?
So parang ibig niya sabihin, sinasaktuhan yung uwi niya. Tapos di ba magbubuk ka, nandun ka sa labas ng building. Tapos sasabayan siya bigla, uy, pasabay Libre. Grabe.
Kapal ng mukha eh.
Oh.
No joke!
No joke. Bakit ba mag-grab pag malapit?
As a grab pag emergency lang, oo.
Kunwari, 1 kilometro.
Mga 100 na din ang abutan.
Kaysa mag-jeep ka, no? Mahal mo.
Mag-move it ka na lang.
Pwede.
Or, dahil grab up din yun.
Move it.
Move it baka naman. Clearly hindi sumasakay dahil sa laki ng katawan. Ne, pero either way, pag nagpa-angkas yung boss sa angkas, silang tatlo, try niya lang. Sige, try niya lang.
Sakit na nun sa ulo.
Sir, maawa ka naman kuya, mahal magpapalit ng shocks.
May mensahe lang ako sa lahat ng mga abusado. Tandaan nyo, may araw din kayo. Yung mga hindi nagbabayad ng maigi. Yung kinukupit yung bayad. May kilala kaming ganun.
Hindi yung problema ko alam kong totoo yan pero kailan? Walang Judith eh.
May kilala nga tayo nagpabili ng libro sa kanya
Na hindi niya naman ginamit.
Hindi naman ginamit. Ang kanso lang yata ng pintuan. Hindi sumara pa ginamit.
Pamatong sa laptop para magsara.
Yung mga ganun, wag po kayo mga abuso. Kapag may mabait sa inyo, maging mabait din kayo sa kanila at reasonable.
Always practice safe friendships.
Akala ko safe. Ang daming episode na to.
Ay, puro comedy.
Anyway, that's it for our episode today. Thanks for joining us. I'm Steven.
I'm RG.
And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.
Ingat!